Quick reading for your weekly water signs, December the 1st to December the 7th. Nagbunga yung mga efforts. Nagbunga yung pananahimik. Nagbunga yung pagpapasensya, no? Kasi with the Ace of Swords, ang main goal natin is to be victorious, no? Sa pinasok mong situation. And this means that ito nga yan yung relationship mo, no? May mga pagkakataon na siguro we were triggered, no? Nainis tayo, nabwisit tayo, pero mas pinili natin maging kalmado, no? Pinairal natin yung pagiging water signs natin, no? Pinairal natin ang puso. And I feel like medyo tama yung iyong naging decision making kasi nakikita mo na or makikita mo na parang mas magiging strong yung foundation ninyo. Ma-appreciate niya yung hindi mo pag-iiskandalo, no? Um, Ma-appreciate nga yung iyong pagiging makaintindihan. Yon. So this is your quick reading water signs for the week December the 1st to December the 7th.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars align.